Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Ton Space in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is that stablecoin we all rely on for steady value, and Ton Space is a sleek wallet on the Ton blockchain. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you withdrawing funds smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Ton Space app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store or the official Ton website and download it. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, check your wallet balance to confirm you have USDT available. Remember, double-check that it's on the Ton network to avoid any mix-ups. Now, navigate to the Withdraw or Send section in the app. This is usually found in the main menu or at the bottom of your screen. Select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Pro tip: always verify this address twice to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, Ton's fees are typically low, but they can vary based on network congestion. Review your transaction details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it using your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric authentication. Once the transaction is processed, which usually takes a few minutes, you'll see it reflected in your transaction history. And just like that, your USDT is on its way. Always keep an eye on your wallet for any updates and consider using a hardware wallet for larger amounts to boost security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.